Hello and welcome out here at Ride Park, where I'm putting the 2019 KX450 project bike through its paces. Now, what a bike to start off with. Out of the crate, this bike is absolutely fantastic. So we haven't had to do a lot to the bike. Why don't I tell you the modifications that we have made to it. So starting from the bottom, we've got a set of Pirelli MX32 mid-soft front and rear. Now these tyres are fantastic for nearly all conditions. Chad from Chad's Off-Road has Cerakoted the hubs, a nice lime green. Chad's also redone the whole suspension. If you've noticed, the front suspension looks absolutely factory. Kashima coated forks, and he's also coated the shock as well. He's got SKF fork seals in there. He's also put an MXTV piston band in it as well. States MX have just started distributing titanium foot pegs. They look absolutely trick. Ringmaster have done an absolutely fantastic job with this sticker kit. They do it for us every single year, and the reason we keep going back to Ringmaster is the quality is A1. Pro Taper have supplied us with their handlebars and grips, and I always go for the Carmichael bend. I love the Fusion bars as well. And our great mate Chad from Chad's Off-Road has supplied us with a set of X-Trig rock shocks. These are the factory real deal, the fair income. There's a reason why factories use them. They do help with your front suspension, and being able to adjust them does give that racer that little bit of an edge. Force Accessory have done it again and made us a clutch cover. It really does give it a little bit of personalisation to your bike. Unifilter have put us on their O2 Rush Pro Pack. Now that means we get 10 air filters that are already cleaned and oiled. Once we've used them, we pack them back in the bag, send them back to Unifilter. They wash them and clean them and re-oil them and send them back to us. The guys down at RK have given us a set of chain and sprockets, as they always do, and we love the gold chain. Now we're running motor oils through the whole engine, and of course we're using Power Plus fuels to fuel the bike. Now I really love this bike. I think it looks amazing. The things that we've put on it are just personalised, like the handlebars, the seat cover. Mario does a great job with this seat cover. Of course the suspension is just that one notch better. Changing the suspension to make it sit on the ground and a more plusher ride certainly makes this bike much more enjoyable. The engine on this bike is stock standard, absolutely more than enough power that I can handle on a 450, and this bike has got such a great torque power through it all as well. It's so easy to ride. The new titanium States MX foot pegs really do look fantastic, but they do serve a purpose as well. Keeps your foot planted on the bike, which is fantastic. That's what you want out of a great foot peg. I know I've got a smile on my face, and that's because I've been riding this bike all day and absolutely loving it. It's so much fun to ride. I know I love 250s, but this thing is dead set like a 250 on steroids. It's so easy to ride. Third gear, lug it around the track, easy to ride. It doesn't break traction. It doesn't do anything that is going to scare you or just send you anywhere that you don't want to be. It is such a great bike to ride. I've got it for another 8 months. I can't wait to keep riding this bike. If you see me on the track, come up and say hello and take a good look at what we've done to it, because it is an absolute weapon. We'll catch you next time.